Om Swastiastu. Hello, Mr. Harry and all of my friends. On this occasion, I would like to present 3, 2, 1 reflection. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Gusti Anggita Kinanti, student ID number 201-202-1020. Okay, on this presentation, I will explain 3, 2, 1 reflection. The first is 3 things I learned. 2 things I plan to implement, and 1 thing that I need to improve. Okay, for the first is 3 things I learned. Okay, the first is I learned in detail about research method, quantitative. I learned about research method, especially quantitative research, in complete and complex ways, so that I was able to compile a research proposal using quantitative research method. Starting from determining the research topic and then determining the right and appropriate research design so that the research objective are able to get the result. Because we know that the research will only successful if the research method we are used are appropriate. And then the second is I have learned how to be a good writer and think critically when doing all activity and think logically. Before writing, it is necessary to master the material. So therefore, it is necessary to search for more information. So here, I learned to think critically in choosing the right information and required me to read a lot. And then the third one is I have learned to value time and discipline more, so I can manage a lot of time and work. So besides that, I'm able to balance all and share the time when to collaborate and when to be individual. So I have to balance all things side by side so that the 2 things will work together and balance. And the second is 2 things I plan to implement. The first thing that I plan to implement is quantitative research method in my future proposal. So I'm interested in quantitative research. I want to learn more about this method because to be honest, I still struggle with quantitative research design. And then I plan to implement the use of useful tools. I have mastered many supporting tools after studying in this course. For example, like Mendeley, Publish or Paris, and etc. And all of those tools really help me in completing my research proposal. All right. The last is 1 thing that I still need to improve. So using a research design in accordance with the research topic, sometimes I still confused about using the appropriate research method. So research methodology must be thought out in the complex and through that manner. We cannot choose arbitrary or choose at will. So all methods have their respective functions. So I want to improve and learn deeper into research design in order to be able to determine research setting, population, research sampling, determine the variable and data collection method, instrument of data collection, selecting the right and appropriate data analysis technique, and etc. Okay, I think that's all from me. That's all my reflection on this course. Start from the things I learned to things I plan to implement and 1 thing that I need to improve. I'm Anggita Kinanti. Thank you. Bye.